Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Raunak Ali. I am lecturer in mathematics, Government Mumtaz Degree College, Khairpur. This lecture is for class 11th first year class subject mathematics. Now topic is simple introduction to trigonometry. In my first lecture I introduced trigonometry, and inshallah in the next lectures I will continue this task. After watching this video lecture, students will aware with introduction and definition of the trigonometry, introduction to solution of a triangle, number 3 trigonometric ratios, number 4 reciprocal relations of these ratios, number 5 how to find the trigonometric ratios of a triangle, number 6 some applications of the trigonometry. In the end, assignment is given to students, and applications means motivations are also. Word meaning and definition of the word trigonometry. So trigonometry is a Greek word and is the combination of three words. Number 1 tri means 3, number 2 gono angle, and number 3 metri means measurement. So total word meaning of the word trigonometry is measurement of a triangle, but the definition is branch of mathematics dealing with the solution of a triangle. Now what is the solution of triangle? A triangle has 6 elements, 3 angles plus 3 sides equal to 6. When 3 of them including at least one side are given and other 3 elements are to be found as shown below. There are 3 cases. Case 1, given in this case given lengths of 3 sides and we have to find measurements of 3 angles. In the case 2, there is given 2 side lengths and measurement of 1 angle, and we have to find measurement of 2 angles and length of 1 side. Now in the case 3, given 1 side length and measurement of 2 angles, and we have to find measurement of 1 angle and lengths of 2 sides. Now trigonometric ratios, there are 6 trigonometric ratios of the sides of a triangle. Number 1 sine theta, full SINE, and in the bracket short forms are given. Sine theta is equal to opposite side. Now this is the triangle. In the side given, एडजेसेंट साइड मीन्स बराबर वाला पासा थीटा के बराबर में है, और एक है अपोजिट साइड यानी मुखालिफ पासा। तो इस हिसाब से अपोजिट साइड अपॉन हाइपोटेन्यूज क्या है, राइट एंगल की अपोजिट साइड है, तो इसको हम हाइपोटेन्यूज कहते हैं। नाउ नंबर 2 कोसाइन थीटा इज एडजेसेंट साइड अपॉन हाइपोटेन्यूज। नंबर 3 टेंजेंट यानी tan theta is opposite side upon adjacent side. Number 4 cosecant means cosec theta, this is the reciprocal of sin theta. Sin is opposite side upon hypotenuse and cosec is hypotenuse upon opposite side. Number 5 secant theta, जिसको हम short में sec theta कहते हैं, hypotenuse upon adjacent side, this is the reciprocal of cos theta, cos is adjacent side upon hypotenuse, therefore sec theta is hypotenuse upon adjacent side. Number 6 cotangent means cot theta, this is the reciprocal of tangent theta. Now tangent is opposite side upon adjacent and cot theta is adjacent side upon opposite side. Now the reciprocal relations of trigonometric ratios, sin theta is 1 upon cosec theta, cosec theta is 1 upon sin theta. This means sin and cosec are the reciprocals to 1 each other. Number 2 cos theta is equal to 1 upon sec theta, or sec theta is 1 upon cos theta. This means sec and cos theta are reciprocals to each other, यानी ये sec and cos जो हैं ये एक दूसरे के reciprocals हैं, जिसको मल्टीप्लिकेटिव इन्वर्स भी कहते हैं। Number 3 है tan theta which is equal to 1 upon cot theta, or cot theta equal to 1 upon tan theta. Similarly, tan and cot are reciprocals to each other. Now in this slide, how to find trigonometric ratios of a given triangle. There is a triangle ABC. Vertices are given A, B, C in this figure, and one angle is marked as angle theta. Opposite side of angle theta is side C, which is equal to 4 centimeters, and adjacent side of theta is A, which is equal to 3 centimeters, and B is the hypotenuse, which is opposite side of the right angle, which has measured 5 centimeters. Now sin theta, sin, cos, tan, these are the trigonometric ratios which we are going to find in this triangle. So sin is opposite side upon hypotenuse. Opposite side is 4, hypotenuse is 5, therefore sin theta is 4 upon 5. Cos theta is the adjacent side upon hypotenuse. 3 is the adjacent side length, and 5 is the length of hypotenuse. So total cos theta is 3 upon 5. Hence tangent theta opposite side upon adjacent side. So this will be 4 upon 3. Cosec theta is equal to 5 upon 4. Sec theta 5 upon 3, and cot theta is 3 upon 4. Feedback या assignment. Find all the trigonometric ratios of the triangle ABC given below. In this triangle, one angle is theta marked here. So side A has length 5 centimeters, side C is 12 centimeters, and side B is 13 centimeters of this triangle ABC. Applications of trigonometry. With the use of trigonometry, someone can find the height of a tree, pole, and tower etc. without climbing on it. Number 2, with the use of this branch of mathematics, we can find the height of a mountain, hill, etc. standing on the ground. With the help of trigonometry, we can find the width of a river. While we are standing on one side of that river, we no need to cross the river. These are some applications. Without these, so many other applications are belonging to trigonometry. These applications are occurring in the exercise 12.1 of the chapter 12 of the first year mathematics book. Thanks for watching this video.